Heading to a chilly destination? Don't overpack. I know the struggle of trying to fit everything into one suitcase, especially when bulky sweaters and jackets take up all the space. But what if I told you there's a way to pack light without sacrificing warmth or style? In today's video, I'll reveal the must-have pieces every woman over 50 needs to create a versatile, cozy, and stylish capsule wardrobe for cold weather travel. Plus, I've saved my favorite tip for the very end. It's a game changer that will completely transform how you pack for your next adventure. So, stay tuned. Let's start by talking about how to approach cold weather travel. For me, it's all about building a wardrobe that keeps me warm but doesn't require lugging around tons of luggage. I always start with base layers. They're the foundation for everything. I love thermal tops and bottoms that are soft, warm, and lightweight. When I know I'll be layering, these are the first items I pack because they don't take up much space, yet keep me comfortably warm. I tend to go for black or neutral colors when choosing these base layers. That way I can mix and match them with any outfit. But here's a tip. I avoid anything too bulky. The trick is finding base layers that are thin yet warm, like merino wool or fleece. I know merino wool can seem pricey, but trust me, it's an investment piece I never regret. Now, let's move on to middle layers. Here's how I do it. I usually pack sweaters and cardigans that are versatile enough to wear during the day and for evening outings. I love cardigans because they're great for layering over a thermal top, and you can easily take them off if you're indoors. And they don't wrinkle much, which is a huge bonus. One of my personal favorites is a cashmere sweater. I know it sounds fancy, but hear me out. It's incredibly warm, super soft, and doesn't take up much space. I like to keep it in a neutral shade, like beige or gray, because I can dress it up with accessories or keep it casual. That's how I keep my travel wardrobe flexible. For outerwear, I focus on keeping it functional but stylish. I always travel with a lightweight, insulated coat. I do this by choosing a coat that offers warmth without the bulk. It's tempting to pack a huge puffer jacket, but a more streamlined coat gives me the warmth I need while keeping my suitcase from bursting at the seams. I also love a waterproof jacket for layering over my coat. If there's a chance of rain or snow, it's a must. And trust me, I learned this the hard way when I didn't pack one for a trip to New York in winter. It started snowing unexpectedly, and I had to buy an emergency rain jacket that wasn't exactly stylish. Since then, I've always made sure to pack one. Now, let's talk about bottoms. Here's how I do it. I pack tailored pants that offer enough stretch for comfort but look polished enough for any occasion. I personally avoid jeans on long trips because they take up so much space in the suitcase, and they can feel stiff after a while. Instead, I go for lightweight wool or ponte pants that offer warmth and flexibility. I also like to pack at least one skirt. Now, I know some of you might think a skirt isn't practical for cold weather, but here's a trick. Fleece-lined tights. I pair a skirt with thermal tights to create an outfit that's both stylish and warm. It's great for evenings when you want to dress up a bit, but still stay cozy. On to footwear, and this is where I always keep it simple. I pack one pair of insulated boots, which I know will cover most of my activities. They're waterproof, warm, and go with everything. But here's a key tip. Don't forget to wear your bulkiest shoes while traveling. That's what I always do to save room in my suitcase. I also pack a pair of comfortable sneakers for when I'm not trudging through snow. These are perfect for days when you're doing more indoor activities or walking around cities with clean sidewalks. I always opt for something that's lightweight and breathable. No need for bulky shoes that take up unnecessary space. Accessories are where I love to play around with color and texture. I often pack scarves, gloves, and hats in different colors that can instantly change the look of an outfit. One day I'll go with a neutral scarf for a more understated look, and the next I'll choose a bold color to add some flair. It's these small changes that keep my outfits from feeling repetitive. And if there's one item I never leave without, it's definitely a wool beanie. It keeps me warm without messing up my hair too much. Plus, it folds up so small that I can tuck it into my coat pocket if I don't need it. It's these little things that make travel more comfortable for me. When it comes to travel necessities, I always make sure to bring a few key items that I can't do without. First up are thermal socks. They're a must for me, especially in freezing conditions. I like to choose pairs that are both warm and breathable, ensuring my feet stay comfortable whether I'm out exploring or relaxing indoors. I also swear by hand warmers. Even with gloves, my hands can get cold, so having a couple of these tucked into my pockets is a game changer for those extra chilly days. Another essential I never leave home without is a compact umbrella. You'd be surprised how often I've needed it during cold weather trips, whether it's snow, rain, or just a light drizzle. The key is finding one that's small enough to fit into my bag without taking up too much room. Nothing ruins a cozy day out like getting caught in unexpected weather without one. Here's where the magic happens. Let me show you a few of my favorite outfit combinations from these pieces. For a day exploring a new city, I'll pair my merino wool base layer with a cashmere sweater, tailored wool pants, and ankle boots. It's warm, comfortable, and can take me from sightseeing during the day to dinner in the evening. I layer it with a long coat over the top if it gets really cold, and add a scarf for extra warmth. For a more casual look, I love pairing a thermal top with a warm cardigan and ponte pants. It's the perfect mix of cozy and chic for a casual lunch or coffee with friends. I also add a wool beanie and swap out the boots for comfortable sneakers if I know I'll be walking around a lot. This outfit keeps me looking stylish without sacrificing comfort. Now let's talk about an evening outfit. If I'm going to dinner or a more formal event, I'll layer a slim black skirt over my fleece-lined tights and wear it with a turtleneck sweater. I finish the look with a soft scarf and a pair of dressy ankle boots. I often try to keep the color palette neutral, usually black, gray, or navy, so I can easily mix and match everything in my capsule wardrobe. As promised, here's a special tip, the one that has revolutionized how I pack for cold destinations. Instead of packing heavy sweaters and coats, I use vacuum-sealed compression bags. They allow me to fit more clothing into my suitcase without adding extra weight. I just put my bulky items in the bag, seal it, and roll the air out. This saves an incredible amount of space. I also use packing cubes to organize everything in my luggage. These cubes are a game changer, especially when you're living out of a suitcase for several days. So, what's your go-to travel piece when packing for a cold weather trip? Is there something that you can't travel without? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your tips and tricks. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely want to check out my next one on the old money capsule wardrobe for women over 50. It's the perfect follow-up, offering style tips that blend classic elegance with practical advice. Make sure to watch it next.